कि नवीन पटनायक आज स्वस्थ होके मुंबई से आए। वो उड़ीसा के विकास पुरुष हैं। उड़ीसा के जो नवनिर्माता बोलते हैं हम, वो नवनिर्माता है।
After 22 days, it has been a long, long wait for us. Those who love him, love Biju Patnaik. We have been very much waiting for this day. He has come back. He is hale and healthy.
People are show motto. They are eager to see their leader. And Naveenji is coming. After half an hour or so, 45 minutes or so, he will reach here Bhubaneswar. He has already boarded the flight, chartered flight from Mumbai. And he will be coming. People are happy and very much eager to see their leader. Most beloved leader of Orissa. People of Orissa. And they have thronged from different parts to see there, to have a glimpse of the leader.
Naveen Patnaik had gone to Mumbai on 20th.
Yes.
The surgery 22 and the discharge 7 July.
So after that, some related, as per the advice of the doctor, and he stayed there to do some physiotherapy and allied thing, which is as per the doctor's wish only. And today he will be coming, and for some days, maybe after the as per doctor's suggestion, he will be coming and remain in his house, Nabin Niwas. And then he will be, he is perfectly, surgery and other things are okay, but he will be perfectly go to public after a week or so.
After 22 days, it has been a long, long wait for us. Those who love him, love Biju Patnaik, and those who are the ardent supporters of Nabin Babu and his commitment for the Odisha's poorest, downtrodden people. So we have been very much waiting for this day. He has come back. He is hale and healthy. He has to just recuperate and become his normal self within a month or two, and thereafter he shall be dedicating his own time for the poorest people of the Odisha. Again, the service to mankind is service to God. That has been his motto, and that he will carry it out. And we shall be there at the beck and call.
Next innings to be started.
Next innings has started. No innings was stopped. In opposition, he will be more strong. He will raise all the pertinent points for which the people are there. That will be there. So, Odisha as progress and other things under him was so much so that this government has not been in a position to deliver. So on all points they have failed. So Nabin Babu's absence is being felt by the hoi polloi, by the common people like no other day. So that will again be recuperated. After his recuperation, I am sure we will have a new innings, and that innings will be very worthwhile for the persons.
नवीन पटनायक आज स्वस्थ होके मुंबई से आए उड़ीसा, और लोगों का जो उनके ऊपर भरोसा, उनको सबका जो चाहत है उनके ऊपर, आज आप देख रहे हैं वो भीड़, हजार लोग बिना कहे अपने नेता को एक झलक देखने के लिए आज उमड़ पड़े हैं। इतना बड़ा भीड़, और इस लोगों का ये प्यार है, लोगों का विश्वास है उनके ऊपर, लोगों का भरोसा है। जो हमारा नेता ठीक होके आ रहे हैं भगवान की कृपा से, प्रभु जगन्नाथ की कृपा से, और वो उड़ीसा के विकास पुरुष हैं। उड़ीसा के जो नवनिर्माता बोलते हैं हम, वो नवनिर्माता है। उड़ीसा जो एक अभाव की राज्य था, आज एक प्रभाव की राज्य बना चुका है। सारा भारतवर्ष में उड़ीसा का नाम है। तो इसीलिए नवीन पटनायक का जो रुतबा लोगों के दिल में है आज भी है, जो प्यार लोगों के दिल में है आज भी है। ये भीड़ से आप जान रहे हैं एवं जितना उड़ीसा के लोग हैं सब आज प्यार से उनको प्यार की निगाहों से उनको देख रहे हैं कि वो हमारे सेवा करेंगे, फिर आएंगे, फिर लोगों का भरोसा जो अटूट था वो अटूट रहेगा और उड़ीसा को फिर शिखर पे लेके जाएंगे।